Hold on to your hats, folks, because what I'm about to show you is going to completely redefine your definition of a performance SUV. All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something truly special, the 2026 Audi RS Q8. This isn't just another SUV. It's a statement. It's a roar. It's a masterpiece of German engineering wrapped in a stunning, aggressive design. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know this machine means business. The updated front fascia, with its massive air intakes and menacing glare, hints at the raw power lurking beneath the hood. And speaking of the hood, the sculpted lines and aggressive vents are not just for show. They're functional, channeling airflow and keeping that beastly engine cool under pressure. The signature RS badging is subtly placed, a quiet reminder of the performance pedigree this car embodies. Then there's the stance, wide, planted, and ready to pounce. The flared wheel arches house massive wheels and tires, promising incredible grip and handling. Audi has truly outdone themselves with the exterior, creating a design that is both elegant and undeniably aggressive. The optional carbon fiber accents add a touch of sportiness, while the sleek LED lighting signature makes the RS Q8 instantly recognizable day or night. It's a head-turner, no doubt about it. But the beauty of the RS Q8 is that it's not just about looks. It's about performance, technology, and a driving experience that will leave you breathless. Get ready, because we're just getting started. Now, let's talk about what truly matters, the heart and soul of this machine. Under the hood, you'll find a monstrous 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, meticulously engineered to deliver mind-blowing performance. We're talking about serious horsepower, enough to launch this SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering time. The exact figures are still under wraps, but rumors suggest Audi has squeezed even more power out of this engine, making it even more potent than the previous generation. And it's not just about straight-line speed. The RS Q8 is designed to handle corners with the agility of a sports car. The advanced all-wheel drive system combined with the adaptive air suspension ensures that you're always in control, no matter the conditions. The steering is precise and responsive, providing excellent feedback and allowing you to feel connected to the road.